Okay, loves, let's spill the tea on 2024 makeup trends that need to go. What's good, fam? It's your girl coming at you with some major tea about the makeup trends we need to leave behind in 2024. Like, no shade if you're into these, but let's be real. Some of these looks are gonna be so cringe when we look back. Trend number 1, naming everything. Okay, so first up, can we talk about how everything needs a name now? It's giving extra. Like, remember when Hailey Bieber did that whole chocolate glazed lips thing? Suddenly everyone and their mom was doing it, but like, POC had been rocking that look forever, and it was never a trend. And don't even get me started on the clean girl aesthetic. Like, what does that even mean? If you're not doing the slicked back bun and no makeup, are you dirty? Make it make sense. But the one that really sends me is blueberry nails. It's literally just blue nail polish, bestie. We've been wearing blue nails since forever, but now Gen Z slaps a cutesy name on it and suddenly it's revolutionary? I can't. Trend number 2, viral everything. Next up, let's talk about how everything has to go viral now. It's like, if a product doesn't break the internet, does it even exist? I swear, my FYP is just an endless stream of OMG, you need this viral mascara, or this foundation will change your life. And half the time, it's just mid. Like, calm down, it's not that serious. And don't get me started on how this affects us content creators. If you're not jumping on every viral trend, your views tank faster than my motivation on a Monday morning. It's exhausting, fam. Trend number 3, Advent calendars. Okay, so unpopular opinion time. Advent calendars are low-key a scam. I mean, I got this bougie YSL one, and I was hyped, not gonna lie. But when I opened it, all minis. And not even the good kind of minis. We're talking cheap plastic packaging that doesn't even feel luxe. Plus, am I the only one who gets stressed by surprise products? Like, my wallet is not about to play Russian roulette with mystery boxes. No, ma'am. Trend number 4, cream stick blushes. Can we please retire cream stick blushes? They're all carbon copies of each other at this point. Same colors, same packaging, same May performance. I've tried so many, and they always disappear faster than my last brain cell during finals week. Liquid blushes are where it's at. They actually look like skin and don't pull a Houdini on me midday. Trend number 5, lip oils. Unpopular opinion alert. Lip oils are trash. There, I said it. They're just glorified chapstick with less staying power than my New Year's resolutions. Every brand and their dog is coming out with a lip oil, and for what? They're all the same. Thin, slippery, and about as nourishing as a slice of Wonder Bread. Pass. Trend number 6, misleading marketing. Can we talk about brands that market their products as something they're clearly not? It's giving false advertising, like that Rare Beauty lip oil that's clearly just a stain, or concealers that claim to be full coverage but barely cover a freckle. Just be honest about what your product does. It's not that hard. Trend number 7, facial filler overload. Okay, so this is a sensitive topic, but can we address the elephant in the room? The filler epidemic is out of control. I'm all for people doing what makes them feel confident, but when everyone starts looking like they were created in the same face app, it's a problem. And don't even get me started on how this affects young people's self-image. It's toxic, bestie. Plus, have you seen those videos about how filler doesn't actually dissolve? That's low-key terrifying. I'm not trying to have my face looking like a human lava lamp in 30 years. Wrapping it up. So there you have it, besties. The trends I'm hoping we leave behind in 2024. Remember, makeup should be fun and express your unique self. Don't let the algorithm dictate your beauty routine. What trends are you over? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more unfiltered beauty tea. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Sparkles Heart.